Hello, today I'm gonna present my project called password generator. So let's keep going. Okay, first thing we're gonna add the utils here. So I added all the util I'm gonna use in this project, and here I added my components I'm gonna use like in Java and JFrame, and here I added JText field and four checkbox and one spinner. Yeah, link spinner. And here I'm gonna set up the JFrame. I didn't use drop and take. I don't know what to call it. The design, the drop and take. No, I just created from zero actually from the source. So I here created the setup frame and I put the title and the size of it, and you're gonna close the operation and here to set the location in the middle of the screen and set the layout to border layout. Okay, create the main panel. So you need the main panel to put the components or the things I'm gonna get from the design. So I here create the main panel actually. Okay, and here we're gonna talk about the spinner. So the spinner is to put the size of your password. Like if you needed 32 characters, it's gonna be 32. It's gonna be 8. It's gonna be 8, 4, 1. So it's gonna be your password 32, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, as you want actually. This is the links spinner, and now we're gonna talk about the checkbox. So the checkbox is about if you need to mark it as a component. So we need, if you activate like this, I gotta show you. So this is for it's the checkbox. Here, if you mark like this, so the character, the password gonna be used as like it's gonna be include uppercase and lowercase and include number from 0 to 9. If you want to be special characters, it's gonna be here. It's okay. Here's the spinner I just talked about. So if you want like 10 and you're gonna generate password, we use all the checkbox. So it's gonna be uppercase, lowercase, numbers, special characters, and here we're gonna generate password, and here we get the here is the text field we got the password on. So just to just to let you know, so here's the main panel which we just talked. So all of this actually named it's the main panel. So we added the checkbox, like here we added the checkbox in the main panel. So this is all the thing here is called the main panel. And we here added a generator button, so we can generate, of course, to generate a new password. You can include numbers, no, only numbers as you want. And here's the we added the password field. This is the password field down here. It's gonna be so we here but it's editable false, so we can edit this password. And you here added the password field to the main panel. So we all talked, this is the main panel over here. This is called the main panel. So we here gonna specify our checkbox, like what is this checkbox, like why do you need the how do you know this checkbox gonna use this letter. So we're gonna talk about it. So we used boolean to add the select options, and we named the things is selected when uppercase is selected, when lowercase is selected, when enhanced is selected, and with special character is selected. So now we gonna talk about the int links spinner. So when he get the value, we're gonna put the, when you put the value here, gonna tell you, give you the password like the value put in spinner. And string password is gonna generate password links, uppercase, lowercase, use numbers, special characters, passwords, password field. So the password field we just named it. It's this field. We're gonna set the text here in the password here, and we're gonna talk now about generate password. So we're gonna specify the things as I said. When you press uppercase, this is the characters in uppercase A to Z about uppercase. When you specify the lowercase, so this is the lowercase, and specify the numbers 0 to 9, special characters from I don't know what to call this. Okay, you got the idea. Okay, when you use uppercase, characters gonna use the uppercase, the character letters here. We just specify the thing here. And if we're gonna use the lowercase, we're gonna use this, the lowercase here, and gonna know numbers. It's gonna be numbers here. If we're gonna be special characters, we're gonna use this. And if it was empty, it's gonna tell him please select at least one. So if I did this, 5, when you generate, please at least select one option, because if you didn't select what password gonna be, because we have all the things here, so we have to at least select one to generate a new password for you. It's secure random, so gonna be randomized and didn't take the same password every time, so we need to be random. And return password to string, it's gonna be here, and here to run the application, swing utils, it's gonna give us the utils that I used before, and new generation, and it's gonna be set visible so you can see it in the middle here. So this is my last view for the password generator. So I'm gonna do this like this work. I'm gonna go with all the things here. So I lowercase, uppercase, number, special character. So I got here special character and small number. I mean small character and upper character and some numbers, of course, because I just mark it here. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I think I explained everything here actually. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in the next.